Disankomoy Emra if you say yenya nti yese ekuo bi ese Ghana project ahodo aye ya to na saram yento aso the friend say abandoned project no what the petition kwa akoma mampeni what the call so afi no dibeko Alliance for Survival of Abandoned Project Alliance for Survival of Abandoned Project omutwa nti aka ne say asapa na value for money womu se ebeya nyuma ahodo aye o mine dia yagya ne ho saa nyanyankyene ne twitane nwura na age aboso no yenhwe ne yensan koso na de da wo makoma so pa wo se Commander Sugar Factory etimi enkodi onkomomra Citizen Ransford C Van Amwa Citizen Ransford C Van Amwa Executive Director Alliance for Survival of Abandoned Project eja Ransford the machine Oye ne pacha otime nkan amechia wo. One no wa che kakra me da se meti na chichi ntia no wa maso ama me. Na ekwe yenti mudin da mo ba da ben.
Yo no since 2018. And yo you two anamon kakra.
Oh, okay.
Commander Sugar Factory today. Yeah, they are come so far.
Okay.
And
in 2018, what have you been doing? Then I'm more because me who didn't say, hey, Prince, didn't be say or could be say or what's your style more?
Because the institution and say abandoned projects are a successive government.
Okay.
A bit say near First Lady, which is baby or Confanoche Hospital, abandoned project to be from a champion wrestler just see one near there. In my food say, or say na ye catastrophe.
I don't know, I am initiative. When I'm on the bar for now, who ya? It's mono since 2018. No, it has been 2 years. Progress be na mama make e dey pa na abeka say ye na edi we yachi na ye hu results.
Ye did the DH o share this is a ginger factory bi or atwuma Wabieja area hodom I know say ye di won komo ye say a champion mreso na sa ginger factory no onye say musi na bega say champion e free so e ma aban sesa e bae sa factory mo je to yankasa hoda na enesusu nia ye wo tia no nia ahye nkran kese yankasa ye mampeni na nado dankwa kufuado o kai say ye all style no o say ye citizen e ma ye spectator enunti eno ya dia you say you take it serious enunti na members are ye wo so na ye friend citizen no because the president na share nkran this abasa na say aban bi initiative project na say when we anaso we impo na aban from per se obeto asa no mojo moni efi so kakra e wo say e kai aban no say nia ekono say emboa because your project be brave ye nre 3 day enim ya koso a e do so pa betumi aka project no mu be brave wo ma niema ene ye ka commander de ide na nia akoso anamon bi aban si wetu ya dream no ye hu nyoma ye papa eno no ye bisa ho question eno nti na man dey it is our free
I see. And yeah, chemi mu because me wa petition bi da mani mu e wo mo letterhead so ye head no it's a petition to interrogate the process in which the Park Agrotech Ghana Limited won the bid to man the Commander Sugar Factory. E dia ni mo hawo any interrogation am mu bisa.
Mini aba. Yeah, how you know, Mr. Company, your friend of Park Agrotech Ghana Limited. You need company ni niasem.
Okay.
You need omo boni bia. Inti say ka so mo interrogate ya enye say bi ne boni kwan so say bia company no na yenji wondi. Na ne tene say aban Ministry of Trade and Industry. Almost be introduced to Park Agrotech Ghana Limited, a Indian company. Mojume Kono Ghana Hano. So, and I am say omonye transaction strategic investor no mo share Commander Sugar Factory na esiwa say no omoma ni nyejuma ye gidi say eya de pa na answer na ban betu sa na mo no na ASPAP another Alliance for Survival of Abandoned Projects yakocha infoni bi eye video ni ade dia begu YouTube ye circulate on social media any ade may grant some interviews say factory ni say any better say aban no within 4 days ape omodi investor begina ho because na aban na be shebo e wo Commander say September 15th 2018 wabeka chere na nanoma trankonya e wo Commander traditional area say almost a strategic investor emana be factory no until him say omampeni bosha wabeshe Commander for in 4th April 2019 aka bosome na idi ape na omanstwa for ohwe infrijuma any edwadie so owura lanchamaten on also call parliament na parliament no 4th April no okeka say omo processor omo selecting investor now by the end of April omo be name investor no that way a public document me share biuka or UTV amwankasa mumuyi wo news emaye na yetie and efu say asempa so April ni nyina na entehwe into October ni mu no ene e start say ye keka yen ho ewo factory no ho say adentina ye say April ye be investor ba na up to now ye ente ho nka ene beka say aban so di obi ba 26 say wodi ama no na 26 November na aban di investor ne ba ye no investor no oye interviews na interviews a investor ne ye omu bisa no say da ban no best at adwuma o say onim if you say on sign on near buying and from on sign the contract bia say
okay
na ye bisa a media for now so bisa oye mensi no ni oda no ye chief executive this chief executive your friend Owura Apia Kwan said that ban and ye be sha an agreement in it is saying Owura Apia Kwan a oye mensi training no asemo kan say ono de onima ne say ne ma mi nya kunu no wenya eja eno de da be ne be sha si o se de ne de mfa ne ho na mum no kwes mi onim ehon hyehyeye ndi to mo pe ehon hyehyeye a mo nko bi sa Ministry of Trade asamo o ka kire ifo no mi hwa no papa yi ka sa asemi na papa ya oye Owura Apia Kwan yi so interim management team aye abedwako bi a aban yi efa so mo hwe Commander Sugar Factory no ho to ye ne ade no na papa ye chief executive oka ho bio ena Mr. Vish Ashagbo ono no ena ye Price Waterhouse Coopers for omo representative ono so kasa no o se process omo de select investor ne ade nya no interim management team no kra ka ho no mo tu hu kwan akọ India ne ade nyina akọye Ipaka group no omo enhwehwemu ma mo hu se omo di fata se ye de factory ne shawon sa nti na meka say asempa in some way but the idea ma ye what doubt ne when na investor no to entumi ankere say and then oversight and na ochina na oversight
nti e ho kakra no na mama adwen ye mo say Commander Sugar Factory na ya abandon na say ye ja wo hwa afi investor ba ya bodwa ye tumu na mo a ma no betimi a qualify say mo be describe ne say ya abandon na
yeah ye ka fa ne say abosome 9 ye wuremu investor no on ba factory na factory the way a esitie okọ honoma obetumi afa wo cameraman ni ade akọ okay no okọ twene ekọ eho efua ma obekọ no na wonuma omoche friends en krantia ni ade onsa ahwede factory ni nchen no ahwedifo
okay
125 acres abanda da no almost started some year nursery inti enkrantia wo inti ma hunters na hono mo ye hunting na me no wo ka say ya wada ye etwemu yi 5th of March ya ochina ne dan woche eja to sa efu no mu e ma ho na ahye
ahwedifo no
yes ubetumi asoma won kofo mama ko hwe say ne amekan eye no kre anase sabi atro na mebi na sa efidi eja eto ho eye ya wada eno ka ho a eja 9 mpre 9 na eja to The third one numpo de a channel free farm to one Emma because of na ye a penny woman it was January 2018 Emma a kotor a baby on say mo test run no time I omo bi adwumadi na no mo test run no ahwede na omo nyame no ahwede wura no na sum ho no ma a try plenty then ko tom around 11 a.m.
Okay.
Fire service for to me do no na about 9 o'clock p.m.
Yes.
Into no nyamina edi anwa fofie na anko ka efidie no ankasa esi wo no na nka ya ntia sempa pasa de mo we na
petition edru he afa na mo de call na mo de call
Yawadai ene de koma speaker of parliament
Yawadai no opa che 5th March ana
5th March
okay
ene de call speaker of parliament atnaye ye de bi ma minority leadership any majority for nyina na committee almost hwe infijuma ni edie any ahweso trade industry and tourism committee almost leadership ya ma won bi
na monya response be 1 week aba ni sa
ye beka say ebia whole response in the ntem dodo because in the parliament there aya ebenada enra aya benade any fiada between this period na ya omotrase nti ye wo eni som say omo bebi sa ho asem
okay
because nyamiadom ya wada ne ye koye no ye kohia mrase bedwani a owo commander ednegwa fabrem omo edi omo copies na koye na omumu bia ni ho but ye di jae ema ye sign say ya submit na emumu no ye free ho no ene ye hia mrase bedwani no nti nyamiadom no no so de ne copy ne wo ye nchenti de ma no ma ne nsa kan ono so chen bo se obetu ho na mon eye week ya ye stimu
nti eja vaniamo ase uyi Commander Sugar Factory ni sincha abandoned project ben biem na mo kan ho asemo petition nim
petition de ne ye kan ho asema ye Commander de no because of
eno pe dey abandoned project a
no eno no na abandoned project no so uko KE ho no mo ankasa KE eye Commander Negwa Fabrema abandoned da no ABC factory say fish processing factory and as a fish processing plant almost be empatano won so no omakra ho no mo de sie ni ade ba a processing plant enye djuma
nada na ne mo ani kan hwe no we ya investor aba ho kra bosume nan no ebi ya abandon na ba se mfie aduasa ebi anya mfie aduanan de enche kura anya mfie num mfie nwotwe mfie du eno no de ma nkwa nkwohwe anka na Commander de nko a se bebre wo ho
emra omudi investor ne bae no ebinom class ni omubeye no nada no mo de bedadae ni ehwe ni ekosuso a na ya akoye se ni na enkofo ka se nada no ekoya ye no kre na ni ye bisa ne se aden oma sign contract na so oma sign contract aden tina investor no on by number start ejuma
okay
what I say e bosia yakoje edia besi ho
okay
bosia no so no ye betua ho ka enye free ena ye
eja avaniamo ye nya ne kaje bi enkomo ye ahase ebobo ba die na ogide se dachi bia ye frɛ wa ogie asu die ye beba ne ato aso
me da seminia
yen share that pa Citizen Ransford C. Vaniamo, Executive Director, Alliance for Survival of Abandoned Projects. Petitioner or Modioko also last week or DB, a command Speaker of Parliament, a fact Commander Sugar Factory. Monsieur, Yanya investor or the Nijitiri Babishim, and so Bebo Sume Nine, investor Maye, Jetiri Maye, a Jumesuni Gui.